Hello you guys, in today's video I will be showing y'all how I do my makeup. This is my first time doing it, and the first items you will need are a primer, and I'm going to be using this primer. It's a master primer. I'm going to use this primer right here. And most of the products that I will be using are from Walmart, the Shanny company. Foundation I will be using is Fit, and the number on it is 338, and it looks like this. And I will be using a concealer. I'm using the HD concealer brush. It's by Kiss. This is the concealer I will be using. Our eyeshadow that I will be using is, I will probably use this color eyeshadow here. One out of this pack eyeshadow, I will be using this one. Eyeliner, right here. Take this off. And it's just a black. Yeah. Okay, I will also be using this to powder the makeup on, and a sponge. Okay. First we're going to apply this moisturizer or primer. And I will be using my hands to apply this primer on here. In this section, I will attempt to fill in my brows. Of course, this is my first time doing this, so y'all bear with me. As I do this, and I'm filling in my brows now. And I'm just drawing this line to try to fill in my brows. This is my first time doing this. So y'all bear with me, please. This is my first time doing this. Okay, the next thing, and I'm looking at, the reason why I keep looking down is because I am looking at the steps to do this. Because of course, this is my first time. I'm gonna put the foundation on and I'm gonna use this sponge here, okay? And of course, the foundation, I am going to use this. This means putting it, pouring it on here. Okay, I've done that. Putting the top back on it. Let's see. Okay, now I'm about to use the concealer, and it's this. So I'm gonna add the concealer to wherever I have like dark spots at, which are, I don't have that many, but wherever I have the dark spots at, that's where I'm gonna add the concealer to. Because it's really just for like dark spots in your face or whatever. So add that there and blend it in. Then I'm just gonna blend it in all over my skin. And y'all, please subscribe, like, and share this video and hit the notification button to see more videos like these. Please make sure you subscribe and like. Next, I'm going to add the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow that I will pick is, I'm going to do, this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to do, that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to do, I'm going to do like this dark blue right here. Just so y'all can see the eyeshadow on me. And normally I just do a little shade up under my eyes. I normally don't do this much, but to make it visible for y'all to see, I am going to do this. do it a little darker. And I am going to apply some eyeliner now. After I do my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to apply this eyeliner. This is my first time doing this makeup. So y'all bear with me, please. Okay. A lip liner. And I am going to put this shade of lipstick on. And it just say lipstick on here, don't say the whole shade. Okay, there's the lipstick. I'm sorry, y'all. It don't have a color on the name of this lipstick, so I can't tell y'all, but most of the products that I'm using are from Shani, this company here. And I purchased it online at Walmart, okay? And I'm gonna put a mascara on. And this is the finishing look. Y'all please subscribe, like, if you would like to see more videos like this. And I also have a nails tutorial come up. If you comment up soon, if you would like to see that video, y'all can leave a comment in the comment box of any videos that you would like for me to do. Again, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you all. I leave with y'all peace, goodwill, and grace. Bye.